everybody. Yeah, it's me here again. And when it's me, it's Coding Ladies Academy. Yeah, so it's your girl, Lydia Akwoko Williams here once again. And we are here in Adakope JHS. Yes, we are here on an outreach to empower ladies in tech. Yes, and I have here with me some lovely girls here. Yeah, I have just a simple question to ask them. So I'll introduce them here. Okay, so I have here with me a very beautiful girl, and she will introduce herself to us. Please, what's your name?
Francis Kanyaku.
Okay, are you holding any position here?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Assistant Girls Prefect.
Okay, so we have the assistant girls prefect here. Good. I have a little question for you. What do you understand by hardware? If something is on hardware, what do you think it is?
Is the part of is the part of the computer that can be felt and touched.
Okay. I think she actually got it. Do you have any expectations from us? Anything you are expecting from coding ladies?
Yes, please.
Okay, can you share? By the end of the outreach or anything you're coming to do here, what do you expect? What are the things you want to achieve? Yeah.
We want to be able to answer some computing questions.
Okay. And basically be the a girl from Takrade here to be able to invent a robotic stuff, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. We have also here with me another beautiful girl. Please can you introduce yourself?
Yes, please. My name is Delight Bukoga.
Delight.
Yeah.
Hey, I like your name. Do you know my name?
Yes, please.
What is my name?
Oh, I forgot to.
Okay, we take it like that. Okay, so your question here is what do you think is a computer? We hear of computers. You know what a computer is, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you
It's an
tell?
electronic device that help us to do work easier and faster.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, what's your dream country?
He said,
Your dream country?
"Aish."
Why? You want to stay in Ghana? Oh,
Yeah.
basically you can stay in Ghana, but then maybe if you want to travel, where do you want to go to?
Canada.
Hey, if you remember when we went to SES, one girl said Canada. Why?
Because that is very nice.
Have you been there before?
No.
Hey,
But
okay.
I have watched their videos before.
Only Canada. Eh?
Uh,
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. And we have the last person here introducing herself. Please, what's your name?
Sylvia Krama and
Okay, Sylvia. What's my name?
Madam Lydia.
Hey, okay. As for this guy, I think I'll give her something. Yes. Okay. So my question here is, can you give me maybe like 3 input devices you know?
Keyboard,
Mm-hmm.
mouse,
Mm-hmm.
and then
Okay, yay! That's very good. Thank you very much. What's your favorite food? Can you be
fufu and palm nuts.
Hey, why?
It tastes very nice.
Me, I don't like fufu, so you have to change it, will you? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so these are my beautiful and lovely ladies here, and watch out, we have quite a lot of experience from coding ladies. Bye.
My name is Delight Bukwaga, and this is my colleague Mary Ishin. And we are from Future Engineers Group. We've came out of a traffic light, and these are the components we used. We used a light, um, a breadboard, an audio ono board. This one is the server motor. This one is the potential meter, and this is the traffic light and the jumper cable. First, you connect where you take a look at where the red is. Then you take the jumper cable of red to connect it into where the audio ono board to number 2. And you connect the yellow one to number 3, then the green one to number 4. After that, then you connect this jumper jumper cable, this one to the blue one to the blue one to the power one, and the orange and the yellow one to the analog one. Then after that, then you connect then you connect the USB to the computer. After that, then you connect the jumper cable into the the jumper cable, which will help the traffic light to be on. Then after that, when you connect it into the computer, then you type on the computer for the light to be on. Then the light to be on. So thank you.
Ladies, we are here to demonstrate our group work. My name is Blessing Dapa, and I am Dorothea Edu. I am Princess Donko, and we are from the group Optimistic Ladies. Optimistic Ladies. So we did a smart bin. As you can see, this is the smart bin, and it has a sensor. So it has a sensor, as you can see, and it also have the servo motor. We are having the Arduino board, the cable, and then the jumper wires. So with a breadboard, yes, breadboard is. So the sensor is connected to the breadboard inside, and then we have connected the jumper wires to the breadboard, and also connected it to the Arduino board. And then the servo motor, it's also having some cables behind it, and we have connected it to the jumper wire and also connected it to the Arduino board. And then we are having the connecting the Arduino board to the laptop to supply power. So this is our project. Thank you.
My name is Sylvia Krama Enchi and my colleague Christabel Efum Echi. We are coming to the smart house. The components are the microprocessor, breadboard, water sensor, servo motor. The servo motor has 3 pins, so we connected the red which is the positive.
Okay, so we give a smart goal. Okay. And here's what our project is to do. If it detects water, when you dry your things outside, let's say for instance you dry your things outside and you have no home and you have a smart house. Now some people, they developed countries, they have smart house, not like Ghana, for example. Ghana is developed, but they're developed. So if there are no home and it detects rain, so as in this water sensor, if it should detect rain, all your things are going to go back to a shade so that nothing like actually see no water is going to come. So this thank you very much. Thank you. Please clap for us. Now we are obviously done. Should I say we are done with our outreach here, and how it's here very beautiful and a slay woman here. She's going to introduce herself and tell us what she has for us.
So I'm Antonita, the assistant head teacher of Adakope STMA Basic School. In fact, we've really learned and enjoyed ourselves today. Yes, thanks so much to Coding Ladies Academy. All what we want from you is for you to come back here again.
Okay.
Because we want more. And also, if you can assist us with some of the learning resources, so that we can be practicing what we have done here today.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And this is, should I say Auntie? Yeah, she's a slave mama. All right. Thank you very much. And obviously, it's me, Lydia here. You know, it's Coding Ladies here. Yes. And we came today. I guess it's this annoying girl here.
Yes.
So,
The PRO.
and I'm the secretary of
Client. Thank you.
Bye.